Dear friends, thanks for watching my videos. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2 of the Invest in Future series, please go through those videos. Please understand the requirements and priority of this investment sequence. The very first priority is term insurance, and the second is health insurance.
Normally people try to skip these two steps, but please understand these two steps are very important before you start any investment. If you start with the wrong priority, in that case you may face problems in uncertain conditions like personal death or medical problems in the family. All your finances will be disturbed and you have to make premature withdrawal, which will give you loss. In this video, we will discuss health insurance. What type of clause should be covered in it? In my previous video already I have covered term insurance. So, just to make it easy, at the end of this video I will tell you what plan I have taken for term insurance. I will also show you the type of benefit covered in my term insurance, so it will be easy for you to select for yourself. Before taking any term insurance or health insurance, please check your financial condition, what is your circumstances, and take financial advice from a professional. Now let's discuss health insurance. So already in my part 1 video, I have discussed what is the importance of health insurance and what type of clause your insurance should cover. In health insurance, there are two types of categories. One is only for self and the second is family health insurance. So, when you take self-insurance, only one person will be covered, and when you take family insurance, that insurance company give you a combined limit. For example, for a family of 4, you can get a coverage limit of amount 100,000 and any of your family members can take advantage of this policy until this limit is reached. When all the family members are young, then it is better to take combined limit insurance, because at young age you will not get more medical problems. You can share the insurance limit amount among your family members by paying less premium. As the age increases, it is better to take self or individual insurance, because at a bigger age, like around 50 and more, health problems will come and the insurance will be helpful. While taking health insurance, minimum things you should take care of is the consulting amount for the gap, what the copayment for consulting is, what is copay payment for specialist doctor visit, what is copayment for laboratory testing is, and what medicine mean for pharmacy. Let's understand what copayment is. Copayment means when you take any service, how much percentage you have to pay and how much percentage the insurance company will pay. Like when you consult a doctor and the doctor charges you 100 rupees, then if your copayment is 20%, you have to pay 20 rupees and 80 rupees will be paid by the insurance company. Co-payment amount should be between 0 to 20%, and if it is more than that, it will be difficult to insure members and it will disturb your budget. So better to take insurance which has 0 to 20% of copayment for the above cases. Another important thing is inpatient and outpatient copayment amounts and coverage limits. Like in some insurance, until and unless you take inpatient treatment, you will not get the insured amount, so this part needs to be checked. Better to take insurance that covers both inpatient and outpatient at less percentage of copayment. I have discussed in my part 2 term insurance video that you should check all the criteria about the insurer company, like they are capable of paying the settlement, the success ratio of the claim, what their customer support, what is the network covering near you, near to your available hospital covered in that network or not. So this all basic things you have to take care of. And take health insurance wisely. Now let's talk about term insurance, which I kept for myself. As I told, I had taken two types of coverage in term insurance. One is MetLife Advantage Plus policy, in that it covers natural death, accidental death, and death in a common career. This is after that benefit. My second policy is Income Shield. This policy will give an advantage in living conditions. In case of disability, if I am not able to work, the insurance company will give me a lump sum amount at once, and every month, I will get some amount, and with that, I can survive without a job. The coverage of both policies is worldwide, and this is very important. Plus whatever benefit I get, it is in AID, which is the same as USD. So these two things will give a very big benefit. As you can see in the table, Advantage Plus and Income Shield, I am paying a very low premium. I started my policy long back. The premium I was paying was 32 for Advantage Plus and 16 dirhams only for Income Shield. A total of 48, which means only 12 United States dollars per month. Of course, I have negotiated this premium, otherwise I would have to pay more for the same coverage, but remember you can negotiate the amount when any college agent calls you for the policy and the insurance, so you can keep it in mind and take the policy. I have increased coverage for both policies now, but this is for example. For your understanding, I am showing how I started. I will summarize. Until this third part we have discussed the first and second priorities of investment. Priority is the term insurance, for which I have given examples of both policy and secondary health insurance policy. Okay, so whenever you have some amount extra, first, you have to think about term insurance, and second for health insurance of the family. These two will help you to stay financially stable and your family will survive without disturbing your plans successfully and stress-free. Now in the next video, I will explain to you what should be your short-term investment plan and what you should take care of. Our videos will get interesting part by part. Okay, so the next video is short-term investment, and after that, we will discuss long-term investment. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.